Good morning. Today we're unboxing Iron Baltic backblade and let's see how it looks like. And yeah, here is the backblade and some kind of assembly kit or bar to connect the lifter, or how it's a rear lifting machine. Okay, this backblade connect the receiver mount system, and I order an electric controller or actuator is kinda, I think it's the right word for this. Let's look. Okay, finishing is quite nice and this is quite heavy. I think I hope it's strong as enough. Okay, let's open the last box. I think this is the bar where the tools mounted. Okay, the packet includes this kind of control switch, up and down, bolts and nuts, electric actuator, and yeah, I think it's complete package. Let's open the last one. Our retailer put the wrong package to me. I think, yeah, I have to call him. Okay, here is everything what package included: frame, control switch, actuator, backblade. In next video let's assemble this frame and backblade, and yeah. Okay, let's see how it's going, and let's see in next video. Bye.